Oh no! It's raining outside. Look at Mochi. The bunny's sitting by the window. He looks a little bit sad. The sky is all grey, and big, splishy-splashy raindrops are falling down, down, down. It's a rainy, rainy day. Mochi wanted to go outside and play, but now he can't. Or can he? Wait a minute. Mochi sees something. He sees colors. It's all. Even on a grey, rainy day, there are colors everywhere if you just look for them. This gives Mochi a wonderful idea. He's not going to let a little rain stop his fun. Let's see what he does. First, Mochi hops over to his closet. What will he wear to go outside in the rain? He needs to stay warm and dry. Ah, look! He found his special rainy day boots. And what color are they? They are bright, sunny yellow. Just like a happy sunbeam. He wiggles his little bunny feet and pulls on his yellow boots. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Now his feet will stay nice and dry when he goes outside. Yellow is such a cheerful color, isn't it? Mochi already feels a little happier. Next, Mochi needs a raincoat. A raincoat is very important to keep the rest of him dry from all those raindrops. He looks through his closet again. He finds the perfect one. It's a shiny, bright red raincoat. Red like a juicy apple or a fire truck. He puts his arms through the sleeves and buttons it all the way up to his chin. Now he's wearing his yellow boots and his red raincoat. He's starting to look like a beautiful rainbow. Mochi gives a little twirl. He's almost ready for his rainy day adventure. But wait, there's one more thing he needs. Something to hold over his head to keep the rain from falling on his long, floppy ears. What could it be? An umbrella. Of course, Mochi grabs his favorite umbrella. Can you guess what color it is? It's a deep, calming blue, like the big, wide ocean. Pop! He opens it up. It makes a big circle above his head. Now he's completely ready. He has his yellow boots, his red raincoat, and his big blue umbrella. Mochi is so excited. Mochi carefully opens the door and hops outside into the rain. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter go, the raindrops on his blue umbrella. He takes a big, deep breath of the fresh, rainy air. It smells so clean. Oh, he looks down and sees something very fun on the ground. A puddle. A big wiggly, jiggly puddle. And what's all around the puddle? Fresh, wet, green grass. The rain makes the grass look so green and alive. Mochi wiggles his little bunny tail. He knows exactly what he wants to do next. Splash. Mochi jumps right into the middle of the puddle with his yellow boots. Water goes everywhere, splish, splash, splash. He's having so much fun. He jumps up and down, making bigger and bigger splashes. The water feels cool, but his feet are warm and dry inside his boots. He looks at his reflection in the puddle. He sees his red raincoat and his blue umbrella. He sees the green grass all around. Even though the sky is grey, Mochi's world is full of color. Yellow, red, blue, green. What a wonderful, colorful, rainy day. Mochi isn't sad anymore. He learned that you can find fun and color everywhere, even in the rain.